welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Mining Malawi, where we teach you how to stake crypto, mine crypto, and earn that passive income. Okay, so today, as stated in the title of the video, I'm gonna teach you how to participate in Launchpad, as well as give you a walkthrough on how you can participate on the current Launchpad on Bybit. Okay, as usual, welcome and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Let's start, guys. So if you don't have a Bybit account, make sure that you check the link in the description box below. Click on it, register, and do KYC level 1 so that you'll be eligible for the Launchpad. Okay, so before I go on further, let me define what Bybit Launchpad is. Okay, Bybit Launchpad is a platform where users can get an early access to token from promising projects directly on Bybit. So this is where you can get it's called an IEO, initial exchange offering. Okay, this is where you can get a token early before it reaches any other exchange or before it gets listed and people start trading it. Okay, so right here they offer it to you as an airdrop. You buy it at a cheaper price, as well as you get some extra token. Okay, so it's a win-win, guys. That's why I urge you to join Launchpad. So let's go on to the next part, how to join Launchpad. Okay, as you can see here, I have the Me token. I'll use this Me token to show you how you can join the Launchpad. Okay, so you click on the button join, and once you are here, you see that there are a lot of things here: subscription, lottery support, and the times. But anyway, let's get to the most important part of today's topic: how to join a Launchpad. Okay, so the rules are simple. How to join a Launchpad? First of all, you have to go through these 4 phases. Phase 1 is snapshot period, phase 2 is subscription period, phase 3 is distribution period, and phase 4 is allocation results. So snapshot period is the first period where you have to be qualified. It's the period where the system goes into your account to check if your balance, if your minimum balance meets the minimum requirement. That is, you have 50 BIT token in your spot wallet. Okay, so it counts the amount of coins you have in a spot wallet. That is in form of BIT or USDT, because the only coin that you're gonna use here is BIT and USDT coin. Okay, under subscription period, it's where you commit any amount of BIT you have, but it has to be more than 50 BIT, or else you commit the amount of USDT you have, but it has to be more than 100. Okay, in the decision period, that's where the system makes allocation of the subscriptions. Okay, the amount of ME that you are supposed to receive, or the coin that has been allocated to you, that you are supposed to receive, is then allocated to you. Okay, and on the allocation results, that's when you will receive your token in your wallet and you'll be able to trade it. So let's go inside so that you can check what these 4 features mean. Okay, so let me walk you through how this works. Okay, so this is the time and how it goes. Okay, so on the snapshot period, that is the time where the system counts the amount of BIT or USDT you have in your spot wallet. Okay, so as you can check here, the snapshot period for me coin has started. It says 4 days remaining. Okay, so once these 4 days elapses, the subscription period will start in. Okay, but before that, we are in the snapshot period. That's where the counting starts. So once the system counts that you have more than 50 BIT or 100 USDT, it means you are qualified. So here you will be qualified. The system counts your money and makes you and it verifies you that you're qualified. So here are some sort of principles that you have to follow. You have to make sure that you have the minimum threshold in your spot wallet, that is 50 BIT tokens or 100 USDT. Okay, and you definitely you have to have that money in your spot wallet or your in account or your funding account, okay, or your derivative account. But the USDT has to be unified margin account, and your BIT has to be in your inverse derivatives so that it can be counted. Okay, so for an account, you definitely have to keep it there. Okay, for any account, if your BIT is staked in a launch pool, in a launch pool, then it's okay. Okay, it will be counted. But if your BIT token is staked in any other project other than any account, like GeoAsset, it means it will not be counted. Therefore, you have to you have to manually transfer it from derivative up to spot wallet if it is staked in the derivative. If it's not staked, then you're okay, it will be counted. You see it says if for derivative accounts, if it's not staked, that means it will be counted. But if it's staked, it will not be counted. Okay, so in your during your snapshot, it says that your balance in a snapshot of the current day will be updated on the next day. Okay, that means if it counts the amount of BIT you have today, it will tell you tomorrow that you have 50 BIT. As you can see here, you'll see that it hasn't shown me that I have 50 BIT, but I have 55 BIT in my account. So it will tell me tomorrow that I have 55 BIT in my account if the snapshot elapses. That is, the snapshot has started today, so tomorrow it will tell me that I have 55 BIT. It will light there. Okay, so that was the spot. While on subscription, that's the time that you have to you have to commit your coins. So before you commit, you need to pass KYC level 1. Okay, and also when you are committing, you don't have to have sub accounts. And if you have any amount in the sub account, it will be accounted in the main account. Okay, and if you want to commit, make sure that you choose one. Either you choose Bybit or you choose Bybit DAO token, or else you choose USDT. Either you cannot commit all of them. You have to choose one. So the amount of token that you have committed will be locked and cannot be accessed for transfers or withdrawals until the final distribution of ME. Okay, and to be honest, when they are distributing the ME, it will depend on the amount of amount of Bybit or USDT that you have staked. So during the subscription period, if you have staked BIT in your launchpad, please make sure that you withdraw it first by heading to the end order and under orders trade manually into your spot account. That's what I said, because otherwise it won't be counted. It won't be able to be locked. So make sure that all your money is in spot account, okay, or else it's in your N account. But make sure that for you not to lose this opportunity, make sure that you just transfer your coins into your N account. So for those that are on lottery, okay, it's okay. That's okay. Spot account cannot be launched per event. That's okay anyway. Don't focus on that. But during the distribution period, your coins will be allocated as follows. The amount of ME coin that you earn is equal to the amount of token that you have committed divided by the amount of token that has been committed by all participants multiplied by the amount of token in the launchpad. So you can use that formula. It's here so that you know the amount of that you're gonna receive. But if by any chance it exceeds anybody who is participating in this launchpad is going to get 30,000 ME token based on the amount of BIT or USDT you have locked. But if you are receiving more than that, it means that some of it will be distributed to other users, and also part of it will be distributed to your spot wallet. That is, they will only give you coins that are equivalent to the amount of amount of me token it is worth it for. Okay, you get the 30,000 me token under distribution, as well as you also get an extra in your spot wallet that is equivalent to the amount of me token. Okay, so that's it. And during the launch period, you get the coins, and then you'll be able to trade. So the first period has already started. It started on 14th, that is today, midnight. Okay, and it will end on 18th midnight. Okay, and the second period, it starts on 19th and it ends on 19th at 11 a.m. and the distribution period starts on 11 and starts on 19, that is 11, and it ends at 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So after 12 p.m. you'll be able to trade. That is on 19th, 12 p.m. UTC time, you'll be able to trade this coin. So why should you join this launchpad, guys? I want to get to this part, guys. Why should you join this launchpad? As you can see here, the amount of token that has been allocated is 30 million me token has been allocated to this launchpad. To this Bybit. But if you check around how much this is worth, how much of me coin has been distributed to Bybit against against all of the me coins the medieval empire has created, you see that it's only 1% that is going to Bybit. So 30 million me tokens is just 1% of the total supply of me tokens. Okay, so 21 million will be allocated for the subscription, and 9 million will be allocated to the lottery. So everyone who is in subscription will get 30,000, while those that are in lottery will get 900. And there is no lockup. Once you have been distributed, you can sell the coin or trade it. And the good thing why you should join is because it's under Polygon. Polygon is a very big token, and currently right now it's doing massive things. Okay, so the total supply or the initial supply that will be available on the launch day is 2.9%. Okay, that's just a limited amount of coins to be on the market. So because there is less amount of coin that is supply is low, that means demand will be high. And if you can check all other projects, you see that most of them, they had a circulation, the initial supply of about 1.9, 2% and 2.5%, some 3%, and they have done more than 1,000% increment in price. Some have done 1,800. Most of them, they have done 2,000. So it means that you have to make sure you definitely get 2,000% increment in price. So that's a good thing. That means you'll be making more than 20x or 30x, even up to 60x. You can 60x your money. Okay, so that's it. That's the reason why you should join this launchpad. It will make you money. Okay, so these are the two subscription, the two pathway you can choose. Either you will use subscription point, subscription in BIT, that is you commit BIT, a minimum of 50 BIT, or else you commit 100 USDT. And if you can check, you see that the BIT one is the juicy one, because you only be committing just 17 USDT only. While in the other one you'll be committing 100 USDT, but you'll be getting less coins, which is probably not good. So that's it. We are currently on snapshot period. That's the first one, and then we'll go into the second one, which is the subscription period, and then the student period, then allocation, and then boom, you will be able to trade the coin. So make sure that you are there within the first 1 hour. You check the prices increment. Don't sell within the first 1 hour or 2 hours, because the price will be pumping up and up and up. Maybe you might reach like $0.50, which is a good thing, because if you reach $0.50, that means you are gonna make about 90x of your money. Guys, you can make 90x of this. I promise you. between 20% up to 90x, you can make it, guys. Okay, so make sure that you use the link in the description box below to join Launchpad, sign up, do KYC verification, so that I earn money as you be trading. It's a good thing. It's a win-win. If you use my link, you'll be earning bonuses, and I'll also be earning some referral money. That's it. Make sure to use my link and share it to your friends so that you can also join Bybit and don't miss these chances. Thanks, guys. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.